Here today at Rumley Motors, we got this badass 1959 Chevy Impala lowrod. Clean red paint, all the trim and chrome is nice. Red interior. Does have factory power windows. Red floor mats, vintage AC. It's a 396 big block. Billet specialties valve covers. Billet front runner, vintage AC, power steering. Does got disc brakes in the front. Electric fan. Real clean under the hood. "20" intros in the front, 22s in the back. It does have a fully done trunk. You'll see that in the pictures. I don't have the key right this second. Again, this is the latest car here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. If you're interested in it, give us a call or send us a message. We'll be glad to help you out.